Hi everyone. I just wanted to take some time and talk about the brand that I've developed over the past 2 months. So, my brand was called Wandering Lithuania. And I bet you're all wondering why I chose Lithuania to do my brand on. And it's because I recently got accepted into the International Language Program. And that's a program where students can go to different countries and teach English to other students and children there. And I got accepted into the program, and I found out I will be traveling to Vilnius, Lithuania, where I'll be living there for 4 months. And I was so excited about my trip that I wanted to do my brand on that. So I used this opportunity to learn more about Lithuania and the country there, and I also wanted to inspire other people to travel, and especially to Lithuania, because ever since I started learning more about it, I've discovered the amazing things that they have there. So I use Instagram and Facebook. On Instagram, since this was a new brand, I started out with 0 followers and 0 posts. My audience was anyone, male or female. I wanted to reach out and have a wide audience since my brand was new. I wanted to get as many people interested in my topic as possible. Like I said, I also did Facebook, so I also started out with 0 followers and 0 posts. And my audience was the same, male or females. I really just wanted to get my word out there. So over these past 2 months, I've been able to post 15 times, and I've been able to figure out which posts are going to be more successful based on the content I have. And my most successful post actually received 29 likes, and that was of a pastry. And my worst post received only about 6 likes, which was promotion for my brand article. So I learned that the content that really drives audiences to your page are like food or like interesting places and things like that. So I also learned by posting these things that I need to interact with my audience. I did this by using calls to action with my comments, things like, hey, who wants to travel, and other comments like that, and that was able to boost my interaction with them. Also, posting quality content is really important. That helps people want to actually view what you have, and it stops their scroll, so they'll take that time to look at your stuff. And also, another tactic I used was following similar sites, like travel sites, anything about Lithuania I followed, and I liked and commented on their post, and that allowed me to get other people involved in my posts. And I also used a lot of hashtags. Each post I would say 2 to 5 hashtags, things that were specific to my posts, such as like hashtag Lithuania, hashtag Vilnius, or like whichever city I was talking about that day in that post. I hashtag that, or I'd say hashtag wander, hashtag travel, just any type of hashtag that I could put on there, I would. So that was a way that if anybody was searching like the hashtag travel, they could see my post, and that could lead them back to my site. So I felt like I grew a lot from this project. So finishing, I have a total of 45 followers, and then I expanded my audience to anybody interested in European travel. So it's not really just anyone in the world now. It's people who are interested in European travel, and especially anybody that's interested in Lithuania and going there. So for Facebook, I didn't get any more followers. I figured out it was kind of hard to draw people to my page, since it was just a page and not a profile. And my audience was the same as my Instagram finishing. Anyone, male or female, interested in European travel. So taking away from this project, I learned a lot about being a practitioner over a user. I learned that the content that you post really does matter. No one's going to want to follow you if you're posting poor quality content. You need to post things that people are interested in, and that they will like to view. And I also learned a lot about my country, and it really helped me prepare for my trip. So I was really glad I got to do this project, just for the personal growth in it. And yeah, thank you for watching my presentation.